Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to show you how to log into Seesaw as a student. So the first step is to open either Safari or Chrome, just a browser, and then type seesaw.com. And then you will go to the up right corner where it says login, so click on that. And then there will be three options. I'm a teacher, I'm a student, or I'm a family member. So you're going to click I am a student. Okay, so this is my default teacher account, so just ignore that part. So what you're going to click on is the Seesaw for School Clever sign in. Okay, so click on that. Actually, before you click on that, in the bags that I prepared for each student that got the drive-through pickup a couple weeks ago, I put like a QR code in a Ziploc bag in the bag for every single student. So you will need that for login for this. So have that ready before you click on the Seesaw for School Clever sign in. So click on that. Okay. And then you're going to click on the Clever badge login. And then you will need to have your QR code ready. So I'm going to use Nala's as an example. So just do like this. All right, so now you're logged in. So once you're logged in, you will be able to see activities, inbox. So if you have time, just play around with it and wait for more information to come. Thank you, everyone.